Yeah. Hi, hello everyone. This is Shanmugaraj. Welcome back to my channel. One of the aims of this channel is to build a global knowledge sharing platform in the domains of agile leadership and project management. You can join me and help me with that either by subscribing to this channel or sharing my videos to our friends who are in need of it, right? So having said that, let us get into today's topic. We are currently discussing topics in agile contracting. This is my third video of five. Today's topic is money for nothing, change for free. This particular agile contracting method is recommended by Scrum Guide, right? So let us get into the topic. Money for nothing and change for free. An agile contract is based on customer collaboration, responsiveness to change, and emphasizing collaboration over contract negotiations. These principles untether the development process from a fixed plan. Scrum relies on iterative development in which individual functionality is designed, built, tested, and delivered in one sprint, building value from one sprint to the next. This is fundamentally different from a defined process and is the basic concept that allows Scrum team to deal with change as it occurs. Instead of drafting a plan that includes entire scope of the project from soup to nuts, the Scrum process starts with a product backlog, basically a list of all features that could be included in the final product. Because 80% of the project value is in only about 20% of the features, the Scrum team starts working on the highest value features first. All features are complete by end of each sprint, designed, written, and tested. The following sprint, the next most valuable features are worked on and brought to completion. These features build upon each other until enough value has been accumulated to release the first version of the product. The backlog is built in close consultation with customer, so both the provider and customer have the same expectation. What is change for free? Because not all features are created equal. If a customer decides they want to change priorities or add new features, they can do so. The product owner would simply insert the required feature into the product backlog where appropriate. This doesn't slow the development process down or interrupt the team because team is focused on completing the current sprint backlog, which is fixed during the sprint. The customer is not charged for the change as long as they indicate which lower priority feature of equivalent story point should be pushed out. 60% of features are never used, so this is usually an easy choice. Change is free because the scope of work remains the same. So what they're trying to say here is a scope for a particular sprint is fixed. The team is not interrupted when they're working on a sprint. When there is a change comes in based on the evaluation with the customer, the product owner put that feature into the product backlog wherever it's appropriate. And when they go for a sprint, the equivalent amount of low priority items are pushed out. So since your scope is remains the same, so it becomes change for free, money for nothing. Because Scrum delivers projects in completed slices of functionality. Once the provider has delivered enough of the high priority functionality for the customer to be happy with the product, the development process can stop. Any features that were in the original scope of the contract but not developed because the customer realized that those features were not necessary, that are left uncompleted, the money left over is split between the customer and the provider. That is money for nothing, right? If there is no delivery, no money. The contract should specify what percentage of remaining money should go to each party. This can be 50-50 split, but depending on the relationship and the level of trust between the provider and the customer, the split can be as much as 75-25 either way. That we come to the conclusion of this video. Hope you guys got an understanding of agile contracting model, which is money for nothing, change for free, right? So money for nothing means you will not pay for the future which are not delivered to customer, right? The contract might get terminated moment customer feels that I've realized the value what I needed from this product, and then the remaining features left uncompleted, the remaining money will be shared as per the terms and condition in the contract. Change for free, we understood that when we introduce something new feature in the product backlog, the team is not getting interrupted because we are not injecting that new feature in the current sprint. You will be pushing that in subsequent sprints while removing the equal amount of low priority items are pushed out of the scope. Then scope remains the same in terms of story points and in terms of the size of the project. So that is called change for free. So you can apply this agile contracting model in your real-time agile contracting, right? So I hope this kind of videos that helps you improving your agile way of working and leadership mindset in terms of agile contracting, right? And where you want to work with the customer as well, all right? So with that, I'm signing off. See you in next video.